While a typical luxury brand can build 4 or 5 complete cars in the time it takes Bugatti to paint just... Bugatti was founded by Ettore Bugatti in 1909 in Molsheim, Alsace, France, and the brand has never left this sacred ground. Century limits. The Bugatti Chiron starts at approximately 2.4 million euros net, roughly 2.6 million US dollars. Every Bugatti Chiron begins not with metal, but with carbon fiber. And at the Molsheim Composites facility, each carbon fiber panel is sealed inside a vacuum bag that removes every molecule of air, eliminating voids that could become stress risers. At 29.5 inches of mercury, the vacuum bag exerts over 2,000 pounds of force per square foot across the entire carbon panel. Inside the autoclave, the carbon fiber panel will be cooked at 130 degrees Celsius under 8 to 5 pounds per square inch of nitrogen pressure for exactly 4 hours. The resin system used in Bugatti's carbon fiber is a proprietary epoxy formulated to flow at exactly... The cured carbon fiber panel is now a structural component that weighs less than 2 kilograms but can withstand a crushing force of over 7 metric tons before failing. Each monocoque begins as 42 individual carbon fiber panels, each panel cured separately in the autoclave. The structural adhesive used in the Chiron's monocoque is proprietary epoxy with a lap shear strength of over 30 megapascal. For the next 24 hours, the monocoque will rest inside this oven at exactly 60 degrees Celsius. 24 hours after entering the oven, the monocoque emerges as a single structure, the individual carbon panels now indistinguishable from each other. The excess adhesive is trimmed by hand, each joint requiring the steady hand of a craftsman who has spent years learning just how much pressure to apply to the oscillating blade. The final inspection of the monocoque takes 4 hours, with 2 technicians working in tandem. The 3-kilometer journey from Molsheim to Molsheim takes 15 minutes, but the monocoque travels in a climate-controlled cocoon. The monocoque has arrived at the Molsheim Atelier. Each of the 14 titanium bolts weighs just 34 grams, but together they must hold the 1,500 horsepower engine and the 7-speed dual-clutch transmission. The monocoque is complete, the rear subframe is attached, and the Chiron is beginning to look like a car rather than a collection of panels and fasteners. The 8-liter W16 engine weighs 400 kilograms, more than the entire monocoque, and it must be lowered into place with millimeter precision. The 7-speed dual-clutch transmission can shift gears in less than 150 milliseconds, faster than a Formula One car from a decade ago. The initial break-in sequence runs the engine through a carefully programmed RPM ramp, bringing it up to 2,500 With the body panels temporarily fitted, the Chiron silhouette is complete, and for the first time it looks like the finished. Before the first drop of paint touched the Chiron's carbon fiber body panels, the first layer of primer is the foundation of the Bugatti paint job, a layer of gray that seals the carbon fiber and provides a uniform surface. The first color coat is the moment the Chiron begins to look like a Bugatti, the deep French racing blue that has been a signature of the brand since Ettore Bugatti. The second color coat adds depth, the specialist subtly darkening the edges of each panel to create a 3-dimensional effect that makes the The black paint is applied to the lower half of the car, and the masking tape is removed while the paint is still wet, revealing instruments. Even the best tape line leaves microscopic imperfections, tiny droplets of overspray that cross the boundary between colors. The touch-up process is performed by a specialist who works only on paint imperfections, never on any other part of the car. The first of 8 clear coat layers is applied, and with it, the car's surface transforms from painted to polished, the clear filling every microscopic imperfection. Between each clear coat, the thickness is measured at 20 points across the car, and any variation larger than 5 micrometers would require clear. The 3rd, 4th, 5th, 6th, 6th, 7th, and 8th clear coats follow in rapid succession, 4s of continuous stations. The car now rests for 24 hours, the 8 layers of clear coat cross-linking into a single continuous film of urethane. The 8 layers of clear coat are now sanded by hand, starting with 1000 grit sandpaper and progressing through 2000 to 3000 grit. The final polishing removes the last traces of the sanding process, revealing the depth and clarity of the 8 clear coat layers for the first time. The paint is perfect. The 600 hours of handwork have produced a surface that has no equal, and the car is now ready for final assembly.
The paint is complete, the body is finished, and the Bugatti Chiron now reveals itself in its full beauty.
The painted body is touched for the first time by the worker who will install the wheels, his cotton-gloved hand leaving no trace on the perfect surface. The rear of the Chiron reveals the car's purpose, the massive diffuser that channels air under the car. The center.
From above, the Chiron's design reveals its heritage, the teardrop cabin that echoes the Bugatti Type 57 Atlantic of the 1930s.
The interior of the Chiron is not a race car cockpit, it is a luxury space that happens to be capable of 260 miles per hour.
The exterior is perfect, the engine is ready, and now the interior will be installed. The hand-stitched leather seats.
This is the Bugatti Chiron, 8 liters, 16 cylinders, 4 turbochargers, 1,500 horsepower.
The leather seats are installed, each one requiring 20 hours of hand stitching before it ever touches the car.
The instrument cluster is a curved OLED display that shows the driver everything from boost pressure to fuel consumption.
The steering wheel is installed, the final connection between the driver and the machine, the leather wrap stitched by hand, the paddle shifters machined from aluminum. The wheels are installed, each one a 21-inch forged aluminum masterpiece wrapped in a Michelin tire that costs more than a Honda Civic. For the first time in its existence, the Bugatti Chiron rests on its own wheels, no longer supported by the lift that has carried it through assembly, the suspension compressed by its own weight. The windshield is installed, 12 kilograms of laminated glass that has been tested to withstand the impact of a bird at 260 miles per hour. The W16 engine requires 24 liters of special synthetic oil, more than 4 times the capacity of a typical car. All systems are go. The fluids are filled, the electrical systems are working, and the engine is ready to start.
The engine starts, all 16 cylinders firing, the 4 turbochargers spinning, the W16 coming alive for the first time in this car.
The car drives under its own power for the first time, moving from the assembly area to the quality control room, where it will undergo a series of tests.
On the dynamometer, the W16 engine is run to 7,000 RPM, producing the full 1,500 horsepower that Bugatti promises.
The final alignment check ensures that the car will track straight at 260 miles per hour. The toe angles adjusted to within 1/10 of a degree, the camber set to keep the tires flat. The final detailing begins, the workers wiping away the last fingerprint, the last speck of dust, the last memory of the... The final painting uses a specialized light.
The interior inspection takes an hour, every stitch inspected, every button pressed, every knob turned, the leather soft, the aluminum cool, the carbon fiber smooth, the interior perfect.
The underbody inspection checks every bolt, every weld, every component, the workers moving under the car with practiced efficiency engines. The final system check confirms that every system in the car is functioning perfectly, all of them reporting ready, vote.
The car is ready for delivery, the black satin cover protecting the paint, the champagne chilling on the silver tray.
The owner arrives, his excitement visible despite his attempts to remain composed. The worker greeting him is. The cover falls away, revealing the car in its full beauty. The owner's hand reaching out to touch the paint for the first. The owner sits in the car for the first time, the leather seat holding him, the steering wheel in his hands, his finger pressing the start button, the engine coming to life. The owner drives the car out of the atelier, the afternoon sun lighting the pain, the car passing under the Bugatti banner. Rien n'est trop beau, nothing is too beautiful. The Bugatti Chiron is gone, delivered to its owner, but the atelier in Molsheim continues, the work completes. The final quality control certificate is stamped and signed, the brass Bugatti seal imprinted into the heavy paper. The car is loaded into the transport truck, the soft straps holding it in place, the climate-controlled compartment protecting it from the elements, the truck's engine starting.
The transport truck carries the Bugatti Chiron across the French countryside, through the villages of Alsace, onto the highway, heading west toward the owner's home.
The transport truck arrives at the owner's home, the long journey from Molsheim complete, the driver opening the rear door, revealing the car inside.
The car is unloaded, the satin cover removed, the French racing blue revealed.
Paint condition, interior condition, engine start and function, owner satisfaction.
The final delivery sign-off confirms that the car is perfect.
The car drives through the countryside, the engine roaring, the tires gripping, the car doing what it was built to do, achieving the speeds that only a Bugatti can achieve.
technicians. 6 months, 1,800 parts, 20 master technicians, 700 hours of hand painting, 1,500 horse. 6 months from order to delivery. 600 to 700 hours of hand painting. The sun rises over Molsheim. The workers arriving, their white lab coats crisp, their faces fresh, ready. The next car's journey begins. The carbon fiber panel inspected, the adhesive applied. The owner opens the door, sits in the seat, starts the engine, the car alive again, ready for another drive, another adventure. The Bugatti badge, the macaron, the chrome letters, the red jewels, a symbol of over a century of automotive excellence. The Bugatti Chiron drives through the Alsatian countryside, the sun setting behind it. The owner stands beside his car, looking out at the atelier where it was born, the place where the next car is already being built, the place where the tradition continues. The Bugatti Chiron, built by hand in Molsheim, France, 1 car at a time, 6 months at a time, 700 hours of painting at a time.